Tiny cochineal insects are cultivated on prickly-pear cactus for their natural red pigment.
Workers gently remove mature insects before mechanical separation begins.
The harvested insects are collected and inspected before processing.
Mechanical screening removes plant material and unwanted debris. Controlled drying removes moisture while preserving the valuable pigment.
Quality workers inspect the dried insects before pigment extraction.
The dried insects are mechanically ground into a pigment-rich raw material. Controlled extraction releases the carminic acid from the insect material. Industrial filtration separates the pigment-rich liquid from solid residue.
The extracted pigment is purified and standardized for consistent color. Every batch is tested to verify its color and quality.
The pigment is concentrated into a stronger carmine preparation. The concentrated colorant is dried into a stable red powder.
Final milling and sieving create a uniform carmine powder. Automated quality control checks the finished pigment before packaging. The finished carmine is precisely filled and sealed for distribution.
Line 1 looks good. Proceed with packing.
After final inspection, the natural colorant is prepared for shipment. This tiny insect ultimately becomes a valuable natural red colorant.
The carmine is carefully dosed. It creates a beautiful pink color. The finished pink ice cream is filled, sealed, frozen, and prepared for distribution.